we are gathered for the toss of the second match of this tournament. With me here, I've been joined by the captains of two promising teams. एक तरफ हमें join किया है Hafiz Kola, the skipper of Allama 11 Sialkot, who happens to be the head of the call.
Head is the अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम पहले बैटिंग
करेंगे. पहला मैच है जनाब आपका, क्या रीजन है बैटिंग करने की?
Welcome back once again from Municipal Stadium. And there you are, Sialkot side, Arslan Butt, Abdur Rahman, Hafiz Akib, who happens to be the captain, Hijrat Pathan, Muhammad Inam is going to be on strike. Farman will be the bowler to start the proceedings for Sargodha. There we go. And there you go. Can't bowl there. Welcome to the bowling crease. Hooked him away over square leg. Oh, what a way to start for a left-hander.
Around and then pulled it away. Take a look at that one again. Although that was outside the off stump, but he still pulled that one from there and it travelled all the way. Good shot.
He can cause some worries. But not there. If you bowl there, the result is going to be half a dozen because Zan really takes them for the breakfast.
They can give 12 for that, although I know they can't. But
change of angle. Oh, that one beats the keeper as well. Yeah, it really, surprises the wicket-keeper as well. All of a sudden when you... Osama Ali is going to be on strike. Right-hander, very bashing at the top of the order. Very dangerous. And this time it's a slice. It's a leading edge more than a slice. And it went in the vacant region, so they are able to pick up 2 runs. Very, very good bowlers in the tape ball fraternity to the cleaners in the past. But this time it's a good comeback by Farman, the left armer.
And we are witnessing some entertaining cricket in this match as well. Farman making a good comeback. He got dispatched for a couple of sixes on first 2 balls, but then he made a very...
With the right-hander. And this time it's a slice, it's in the air, it's a chance. Few fielders converging. Oh my dearie! You can't do that, can you, runner? Oh, that is a life for the batter.
Oh my God. That could have been taken, that should have been taken.
At the moment, left-hander is on strike, and that is a poor line down the leg side. You have to be very careful with your lines, runner, and especially Mohammad Faizan to continue. And this time, look at that, he tried to sweep him from a ball which was not there really to be swept. But Zan, I get the feeling that he's more of a leg side-ish player. This time just hit hard onto the surface. Will only get 1. He seems to be a little off color, Osama. Normally we know that.
And that is what Osama Ali, I think, looking forward.
Can't dare to disagree with you, Rana. Another wide, this time down the leg side. They have to be very careful, Faizan. Oh, that is a clear wide. No question about that.
Yes, the previous one was declared as wide as well because the original call was the wide.
Floody conditions as well. Have a look at that. This should be a legal delivery. Oh, my dearie. Come on, umpire, you're having a lot of exercise.
Will they go to take the review again, the bowler? I think.
Change of angle, and it's a high ball. It's a high ball. And eventually in the lap of the fielder who makes no mistake. So the left-hander perishes now at the score of 12.
That one went high and it was in the air for eternity. But fielder did a tremendous job. Not only he kept his eyes on the ball, but he also kept his feet inside the boundary. There you watch that again. That was a swirler. That was a steepler. Here you see it came down and he kept his foot right inside the boundary.
He's going to be on strike up against Faizan. Oh, he doesn't seem to be ready on that occasion. Making their presence felt nevertheless, Rana. Oh, swing and a miss, wild swing. And then one deviated off the surface after pitched, a late movement.
picked up a wicket. I think it's not a bad bowling figure.
Full toss, carves away, oh, clears extra cover. My dearie, you got to be at the edge of the boundary. He just stepped in a few yards and then cost him a boundary. Exciting. Hafiz Aqib gets one in the slot but doesn't manage to clear the square leg fielder and he perishes. He's a goner and the bowler has the last laugh.
He wanted to put that away, and that was on the off stump, pitched up delivery, and he picked out the man fielding right in the countrysides. And Faizan is bowling a terrific over, I would say.
Swing and a miss, off colour, completely off colour. He's also a very good flicker of the ball, and this time outside edge. Luckily for him, good anticipation in the end. He knew that ball will change its direction after.
Goes in the point, backward point of the third man area. It got the outside edge. It dropped and then it was turning all the way from the fielder. You watch that again. There wasn't any sort of a footwork, as you mentioned.
No matter if you're playing even tight ball. Have a look at that. Almost yoked himself. Amazing. I mean,
for Pakistan team, played in 90s, but he didn't have the good style. Particularly his stance wasn't good, and that's a good shot. He pulled it away and almost banished that one from that presence for a magnificent six, but never ever succeeded at international level.
Yeah, it really, changes the mindset when you get to that circuit.
He didn't justify with his talent or with his power hitting technique.
That was a whippage of the toes and goes down the ground, and has that gone all the way? I got the feeling it's gone for a boundary.
Having a wonderful time out there. Oh, that's a beauty. That was a snorter. It could be declared wide according to my knowledge of cricket. Yes, he was airborne while ball passed him.
And Abdur Rahman is going to be again on strike. But what a start for the left-armer, where he has been. Have a look at that. Surprised him with the shorter one and surprised him with the slower one as well. Oh, maybe a little tickle, maybe a little tickle. They are gone up, so has the finger of the umpire. But Abdur Rahman is going for a referral, I don't know for what.
Mandubai is out for none after having faced 5 balls, so another wicket falls here.
Arsalan is the new coming batter. Arsalan Butt thumps it down the ground, gets off the mark. Oh, fumble caused nothing in the end because
fielding side still has a chance to contain them about 80-90, and if they're able to contain them at 90-80, and that has been gone for 4, it's got the didn't get the right.
Prior to the start, have a look at that last boundary. Wasn't a convincing one. Top edge, and that one foxed the fielder for. Have a look at that. This is good bowling. I mean, Rana, we must appreciate.
Because we already had short pitch ball. Oh, look at those shoes. Look at. One is the white one, another one. What is the color of the other shoe?
That color is to fox the batsman.
Urdu mein to I think it is frozy, but I am not finding a proper word in English. That's a good hit. Is it going to be 6?
Yeah, after a long time we saw this big, typical of his. Look at that shot, and he pounced on it. He was on the move when he connected, but got.
Bowled a no ball.
Oh, he's knocked him over inside edge and hits the top of off.
Mohammad Faizan gets a wicket here. It pitched outside the off stump. It got the big inside edge and then dragged onto the stumps.
Who placed them? Was there a helicopter? Who placed them there? This is a serious question, and this is a serious blow. That is going to go all the way. Oh my dearie, someone of those crowd, come and fetch that.
Oh, he got that one away again. And that's gone for 6. What a beautiful shot. And what a magnificent way to end the over number 5. Bob Willis used to say, don't make the cardinal sin. Don't bowl a wide or no. Oh my word. That is absolutely smoked. Absolutely smoked that. What a beautiful shot. And it's gone for 6. He hit that and hit that miles again. It's gone for 6. What a tremendous batting.
Back-to-back sixes, different direction, same result. He's on fire towards the end of the innings. Very necessary. This time in the slot, and thank you very much, says Arslan. Goes downtown for another maximum.
You can't pitch him there. You can't pitch it there. That was pitched a bit and it got spanked.
Such a powerful, compact-looking batter when he middles them. Full toss, whips that away. Oh, good effort. Very good effort. Stopped the ball because that was traveling fast. And I think they've got a run out as well. The umpire has referred the decision to the TV umpire. And I got the feeling that the batter, Arslan, on that occasion was a little short. But the time will tell.
जस्ट 92 रन्स का टारगेट है कैसर बाजवा एंड उमर सरगोदा को लाया गया है बॉलिंग पर मुनीब छोटा
तो पहली अच्छी गेंद थी और इसको दबाते हुए खेले और अयूब जब रन्स थोड़े होते हैं स्कोर बोर्ड पर तो बैट्समैनों पर भी इतना दबाव नहीं होता शायकीन क्रिकेट का जोश व खरोश देखा जा सकता है बड़ी कसीर तादाद में और एक जम्मे गफीर मियां चन्नू क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में और यकीनन पहला ओवर शानदार था लेकिन इस ओवर की पहली गेंद पर इस्तेकबाल किया छक्के के साथ
जी हाँ खराब आगाज यहाँ पे उमर की जानिब से बेहतरीन शॉट देखने को मिला यहाँ पे
उस अंदाज को बरकरार रखना ये आसान नहीं होगा बॉलर्स के लिए बार उठाकर खेले ये दूसरा छक्का कैसर बाजवा के बैट से निकला इस बार बड़ी हिट लगाई है और यकीनन इरादे वाजे कर चुके हैं कैसर बाजवा
जी हाँ बड़ा जबरदस्त शॉट कैसर बाजवा की जानिब से 3 बॉल पर 3 छक्के लगा चुके
यकीनन कैसर बाजवा ने फैसला कर लिया है ज्यादा से ज्यादा रन बनाने का और इरादा ऐसा लगता है कि 6 छक्के आज मुकम्मल करेंगे
जी हाँ पूरी तरह तैयारी कर गए थे उमर डस्का की कैसर बाजवा
और यकीनन एक तहलका मचा दिया है इस बार उठाकर खेले और फील्डर के पास कोई मौका नहीं था एक रिवायती कोशिश जरूर नजर आई लेकिन ये रायगा चली गई और यकीनन हर छक्के के साथ इन्हें वो कैच याद आए या ना आए लेकिन हमें जरूर याद आएगा जब मौका फराहम किया था कैसर बाजवा को और यकीनन अब हावी होते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं इस वक्त कैसर बाजवा एक और बड़ी हिट लगाई और यकीनन अब बॉलर का बचना नामुमकिन कैसर बाजवा के हाथों
जी हाँ उनके टीममेट्स भी बिल्कुल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं साथ में क्राउड भी एंजॉय कर रही है फैमिलीज देखें 17 बॉल्स हैं 39 रन चाहिए और इस बार बोल्ड कर दिया मैंने आपको कहा था कि मुनीब वापसी करवा सकते हैं यहाँ पे
6 गेंदों पर 3 रन स्कोर किए और ये तेज गेंद थी गेंद ने बल्ले का अंदरूनी किनारा लिया और स्टंप से जाकर टकराई तो बिलाखिर पहला नुकसान हुआ सरगोदा की टीम को उमर आउट हुए 6 गेंदों पर 3 रन बनाने के बाद 53 के बाद एक ये मियां चन्नू क्रिकेट स्टेडियम जो इस वक्त खचाखच भरा हुआ है
और इस बार बेहतरीन कनेक्शन खावर की जानिब से फुल लेंथ बॉल था और एक खूबसूरत छक्का देखने को मिला
ये ओवर की आखिरी गेंद होगी
एक और कमाल का छक्का खावर गोंदल की जानिब से। मंडी बहाउद्दीन से ताल्लुक है और 2 बॉल पर 2 मुसलसल छक्के।
और यकीनन लेकिन यहां बैट्समैनों के लिए गुंजाइश जरूर है छक्के लगाने की। पहली गेंद पर इस्तेकबाल किया इस छक्के के साथ और इस छक्के के साथ अपने 50 रन मुकम्मल कर लिए। बड़ी शानदार क्रिकेट कैसर बाजवा की जानिब से।
और एक और बेहतरीन शॉट, फील्डर नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे, 4 रन यहां पे मिलेंगे।
और बल्ले को तिरछा करते हुए पॉइंट की जानिब धकेला।
और इस बार सीधे बल्ले से टाइम किया है, कोई जवाब नहीं है इस शॉट का। कैसर बाजवा अपनी टीम को एक बार फिर से खूबसूरत छक्के का तोहफा देते हुए जनाब इसके साथ ही मैच विन कर लिया है खावर गोंदल। कमाल का शॉट, आउटसाइड द स्टंप बॉल था और बेहतरीन छक्का लगाया यहां पे खावर गोंदल ने।
स्मार्ट बैटिंग की है आज दोनों बैट्समैनों ने, खासतौर पर कैसर बाजवा ने। और ये आगे पड़ी हुई गेंद थी, बड़े खूबसूरत अंदाज से ये एक विनिंग शॉट था खावर का और अपनी टीम को फतह दिलवाई, 9 विकेटों से फतह हासिल की।